Hi, this is week 3 video discussion. We're going to go over the questions. First question, what are some of the key techniques and methods to communicate effectively as a project manager? Communication is definitely the number one aspect of being a PM. You have to be able to communicate well. If you can't, it's just, you have to. Some key techniques that I try using is having morning meetings every morning, 8 a.m. The foreman and I and our superintendents, we all get together. We all talk and communicate on what needs to happen for that day. We all try to get on the same page. If they have any questions, we go back and forth from answering them, or if we think something might come up later in the day, if we need to discuss or anything like that. Written details, the more detail that you can have about pretty much anything from shop drawings or how things need to be installed or who's going to be at that job site, having it written out maybe in email, text, or anything like that, or on a piece of paper, goes so much better. Just detail matters. Detail helps so much. What are some do's and don'ts as a project manager when communicating? I would definitely say the don'ts don't raise your voice at all. You never want to do that. That's probably the worst thing to do. If you need to talk to somebody that messed up, bring them out to lunch, bring them to your office, and just have a nice, easy, safe, secure meeting. Nobody wants to get barked at in front of your other coworkers, and that's just not professional, to be honest. And then do's, keep everybody part of the meeting. Have it where not only one person is talking, have it where the whole group is free-flowing and they all feel like they're part of the team. I try doing that. I try to make it where I might be the boss or the high, but I want to hear everyone talk. I want to hear what everyone thinks about this project. What are some major components of the communication plan? You have 6 major components when you talk about the communication plan. They start out with your audience, context, outcome, media, measurement, and messenger. And those 6 are basically the building blocks of communication. You need to have all 6 of them if you're going to communicate effectively in a project team. Planning also goes kind of hand in hand with that as well. If you have your elements of communication and you plan well, those 2 will definitely make a project go so much smoother and success will be so much higher. Why is the communication plan vital for project success? It's so vital because you need to have clear context. If you have it where the context and having it where basically communication needs to flow smoothly through all levels, all chains of command. If you have it where each building block in the business or organization knows how to talk down and up and down and have a clear communication plan from the start to the bottom, every project will run so much better. I've seen in our business where the owners to the PMs to the engineers to our architects to our fabricators, if you have communication at every level perfect, I mean, your business will grow so much faster, so much better. You'll be making so much more net profit. Who is the most important person or group on the communication and why? Definitely the most important person when communicating is the person that can deliver the message the clearest. You can provide the message with the best understanding for the whole group. Not just you might understand how to do it, but if you can't communicate what you know to multiple people in the group, then that's not helpful. You need to be able to communicate information clear and precise that other people can understand. But those are answering my questions. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good rest of your week.